Let me try it. Hi, this is H of the Stage. I'm a vocal coach and a musician, and thanks for stopping by. Today, I'm listening for the first time to Mariachi Vargas de Tecalitlán, or Tecalitlán, El Pastor. But let's just check what Google Translate says, how to pronounce this.
Vargas de Tecalitlan.
What? Mariachi Vargas de...
Mariachi
okay.
Vargas de Tecalitlan.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure that it's not pronounced like that.
Mariachi Vargas de Tecalitlan.
So, right. So, whatever you call this, today we're listening to it. I know what mariachis are and what mariachi music is. I haven't listened to much Spanish music on this channel, but hopefully that will change. The last Spanish thing that I've listened to is, I believe, Hasta que te conocí. So check it out if you haven't seen that one. It will be somewhere around here. So let's just see what is it all about. But first, if you would like to see these videos for anybody else, but also get entitled to some amazing perks like full-length reactions, bonus content, details from my personal life, behind-the-scene photos, exclusive polls, and a bunch of other cool things, check out my Patreon page because that's where everything is happening. The supporters over at Patreon are the ones that I owe my channel to, and I'm super grateful to each and every one of you. Thank you so much. If you would like to do the same, I would be forever grateful. But for now, let's go check out this song together. A Philharmonic Orchestra. I love the rhythm. It immediately makes you want to dance. Whoa. Feels like a movie. I just love this kind of music. Leave comments, I want to check out more stuff like this. So we hear a lot of different instruments here. We have a lot of string instruments. We have that kind of a piccolo flute, I believe. We have some percussive instruments, and we hear the guitar. Now, Spanish music is almost always very much driven by the guitar, and I love how it sounds and how it makes you want to move. Just from the start, when it entered, it just made me want to, just dance. And that's what I really enjoy. But I would like it to be a little bit louder in the mix. Maybe this is an old recording, so it's not a perfect sounding quality, but we'll see. Maybe it builds up later. El Pastor. And a harp. Oh, love this.
Va musicando sus quejas con su flautín de carrizo, seguido por sus ovejas, como si fuera un hechizo.
Now, a very interesting thing is happening vocally here. He's singing pretty high in his mixed voice. He's singing kind of soft, but it allows him to switch very quickly from this kind of mixed voice to a head voice. But he does it very quickly that it almost sounds like a yodel, but that's kind of a Spanish thing. It's not the same yodel that you would hear in, let's say, Scottish music, but it has some similarities. But then again, when it comes to the sound quality, it resonates kind of differently. It's kind of a cultural thing because when you're surrounded by this kind of music, it just tends to have this certain sound. It's definitely different from any kind of other yodel that I would hear. So listen. Listen to how quickly he changes. He's probably going to do it even more. I'll point it out. but now he's holding it. Very nice. Perfect. Even higher. Beautiful amount of vibrato. Even higher and higher. Okay, here you can definitely hear that it's kind of yodely, and it's really amazing how much it sounds similar to a yodel that you would hear somewhere else, but at the same time, it just has that distinctive, Spanish quality. So listen. Beautiful, beautiful. And as I said, a perfect vibrato amount. He's not overdoing it, and it's not completely straight. Marvelous. If you don't dance to this kind of music, then you're not a human being. Being.
El pastor ya va de vuelta, pues el sol se está ocultando.
I love it.
Va subiendo la cuesta para guardar su rebaño.
But listen to the vibrato when he's singing deep notes. There he's really adding vibrato. It almost sounds operatic in moments. So listen. Let's hear it one more time. Questa la 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 parando. I don't know what he's singing, but it sounds like this. Questa la la la. He's kind of closing it there. Questa la 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 falando. And then adding vibrato. And I think that's just marvelous. Just listen. Falando. I don't know what he's singing about. Questa la 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 falando. Something like that. Let's continue listening. Ooh. I don't know how to call this. It's like a quick glissando that goes into a yodel. I don't think I've ever heard anything like it. Definitely a unique Spanish thing. One more time. Beautiful. I love the yodely kind of head voice. Okay, going upwards now. Glissando downwards. So well controlled. Beautiful. Head voice. Yeah. Whew. He seems kind of tired after that long note at the end. Yeah. Whew. Wow, this was good. I definitely wasn't expecting it to be this great when I started. Let me try it. Okay, so let's try and challenge ourselves. I'm going to time his U note. I'm going to time to see how long he's holding it, and I'll try to do it myself. I can already see myself failing, but hey, let's try. So, when he sings El Pastor.
del pastor.
So he's holding it for about 11, 12 seconds. Whew. Let me try. Let me just hear what the note is.
Del pastor.
I feel like he's singing Nel, not L. Nel Pastor.
Del pastor.
So I'll try to sing Nel Pastor. Nel Pastor! Whoa, it's hard. And my sounds a bit more operatic than his. You know, it's just like I was saying, some of it has to do with just the culture. Just listening to this kind of music, hitting this kind of sound quality. Okay, I'm actually glad that I can manage it somehow, but you know, it doesn't sound like his. His just has that distinctive Spanish quality, but man, I can respect this so much. Let me just hear the ending. I want to try that as well.
Así.
Again, mine sounds more operatic because that's what I'm used to. That's what I've been trained to sing, you know, but I would really like to be able or to listen to more music like this, so maybe I can imitate the sound quality a bit. But that takes time, that takes years, and that takes practice as everything else. But man, this is a beautiful song. I would like to hear your comments below to tell me what the song is about. I've turned on the captions, but they're not perfect, and I was more focused on the singing technique and the whole arrangement and everything because I was so mesmerized how beautiful it is. Leave comments, let me know about more songs like this, about more artists like this, and consider joining my Patreon page to see these videos for anybody else. I really think that you would find your place there. We're really a small family, and I just love interacting with people there. And who knows, maybe I can even do a full-length reaction to a full concert like this one. Let me know if you have a concert like that in mind. And what can I say? If you enjoyed this video, like it, share it with your friends, consider subscribing and hitting that bell to get notified about my next videos. And as always, you look wonderful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.